on the energy. Duke Energy.
In flames of death, turn the rain, we ride towards the fight. Darkness is falling down, and the times of the tough will rise. The sound of the eagle wraps the walls around the world tonight. Fighting on, fucking up for the seas and the wastelands and the roar. The scattered souls will feel the hell bodies wasted on the shores. While the flag is blazing, hell's the maid, we watch the man make up. Fight with me, busted every night. But now we fly ever free. We're free to fall from the storm. On towards the wilderness, southwest carrying storm. Far beyond the sundown, far beyond the moonlight. Inside our hearts, love our souls. So far away, we wait for the day. For the light falls so wasted and gone. We feel the pain of the time lost in the thousand days. Through the fire and the flames we carry on.
It's not safe.
So far beyond reality.
Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, that wasn't good.